Hello viewer, we have the free pen tool for editing, so we will use the pen tool. There it is. I will show you how you can use the pen tool. Here are the points. We can stretch it anywhere, so we can change the style of it. So these are the styles, pattern as well. So let's stretch it anywhere. Now we can start editing from there as well. Again, we will pick another one. There it is. So we can change the style again. Here we have the different patterns to fill up that design and change the radical, diamond and the angle as well. So let's create further designs we can do.